referring to how our customers today are using the cloud to leverage the data and to manage and build new business model with their data. I have a great example named European Space Agency. I don't know if you are aware of it, but the European Space Agency has launched a project named Copernicus, which is probably one of the biggest Earth observation, multi-billion euro Earth observation program that has been launched by the European Commission in the partnership with the European Space Agency. So basically the Copernicus program is a set of complex systems which collects information and data coming from satellite inside observation like ground station and their airborne for instance. This is also what we call a DIAS, which is a data information access system, which provides to any citizen within the European Union, any teacher, researchers, students, startups and multinational companies. They can access to all this data and then build their new application, verticals application, and different type of business model thanks to this different type of data.